Dry bag type isostatic pressing of ceramics is to fill the ceramic powder batch into the flexible pre-shaped rubber film, half-fix the elastic mold, not soak in a liquid medium, but sealed by upper and lower pistons. The pressure pump injects the liquid medium into the high-pressure cylinder and the pressurized rubber and is formed by liquid and isostatic pressure. The dry bag static pressure molding method has a short cycle and a long service life of the mold, which is especially conducive to large-scale continuous industrial production. The mold materials used are polyurethane synthetic rubber or silicone rubber. Compared with the wet bag net pressure molding, the static pressure of the dry bag static pressure is generally within 200 MPa. The advantages of dry bag type static pressure forming: first, the feeding is simple, no pre-pressing is required, and the sintering can be saved after pressing. Second, the density of the pressed blank is high and uniform, the linearity is high, the machining allowance is small, the sintering shrinkage is small, and it is not easy to deform. Third, it can form ceramic rods or ceramic tubes that are difficult to prepare with conventional die pressing process.